Hello, welcome to our channel. Orange color, purple color, pink color, green color, brown color. Let's learning number and picture drawing. Blue color 1, blue color 1. This is number 1. 1 heart, purple color heart. Orange color, this is 1 heart. Number 2. Red color, number 2. Red color. Orange color, apple. 1 apple, 2 apple. 1 2 2 apple. Green color 3, green color. Number 3. Brown color 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. Sky blue color 4, number 4. Pink color 1 heart, 2 heart, 3 heart, 4 heart. 1 2 3 4 heart. Red color 5, this is number 5. Blue color 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, 4 ball, 5 ball. 5 ball. Green color 6, green color 6. Strawberry 1 2 3 4 5 6 strawberry. Blue color 7, blue color 7, number 7. 7 ice cream, pink color 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ice cream. Green color 8, green color 8, this is number 8. Green color watermelon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 watermelon. Let's reading. 1 heart, 2 apple, 3 star, 4 heart, 5 ball, 6 strawberry, 7 ice cream, 8 watermelon.